Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with an Easter project. Today we're making this cute fabric carrot bunting. This simple fabric garland's an easy way to decorate your space for spring or for summer. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this pattern with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable carrot templates. And since it's a digital download pattern you can print at home, you can get started on your very own carrot bunting today. I've added a link in the description below this video where you can find it. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project you'll need fabric for the carrots, fabric for the carrot tops, cotton batting, pinking shears or a pinking blade, and clothesline cord or jute. And don't forget the printable template. First, cut out the paper templates. Place a piece of carrot fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place a layer of batting and align it with the shorter end of the fabric. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Arrange the carrot template so you have extra fabric around the template. Pin them in place. Rough cut around the carrot templates about 1/2 inch from the paper's edge. Stitch each carrot by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Follow the same steps to cut out and sew carrots from the rest of your fabrics and batting. Use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Repeat that for all the carrots. Now for the carrot tops, fold the green fabric strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other and press to make a crease. Place the template on the fold of the fabric as shown on the template and cut out the carrot tops. The carrot top notches are also cut out when that template is placed against the fold. Then place the raw edges of the carrot top on the back of the carrot. Then stitch across the top of the carrot's previous top stitching to secure the top in place. And stitch carrot tops to all the carrots. Place the carrot top over the jute or clothesline cord and space out your carrots evenly and arrange them as desired. Tie a loop on each end of the cord for hanging. And just like that, just that fast, we have this cute carrot fabric garland to decorate for Easter, spring, or your summer garden. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one, with digital patterns that you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.